You okay still? Nice. Today I went to see the Obelisco. It was so nice, it's so beautiful. I didn't know it was so high. And what else did I see? Perros de Argentina, cute. And yeah, your city is so beautiful. Unfortunately I have to leave tomorrow, but it's really nice to be here, at least for 2 days. I love it so much, and I'll come back, you know. I'm never gonna leave you guys like this. I have to come back and to ask you to stay around to Vancouver, you know. I have to come back for this every year, because otherwise it's gonna be open all the time. Viendras-tu te reposer sur mon épaule, malgré tout le mal que j'ai fait? Je te propose quisiera que me cuentes esas oscuras, aquellas que has conmovido, miedo de la sombra. Podría hablarte de mi noche buena.